Hello fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, you're highly welcome. So today we are doing a foundation routine for oily skin. So if you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. Share your thoughts in the comment section. I'll be replying to all of them. So you know I do, let's go straight into the video. So first things first, I've moisturized my lips. So I'm not priming my eye with the Pond's lasting oil control because I produce much oil in my brow area. I'm not combing my eyebrow with a spoolie. Since it's a foundation routine, I'm going to skip through all this other process. So I'm now lining my brow with David's number 18 eye pencil and start filling it in from the inner corner. And I'm cleaning my lower brow with Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Almond. While using a flat brush. So I'm using my foundation to clean my upper brow. And guys, I'm always saying you should take your time when it comes to this or you mess up your brow. Then blend it in so that when I apply foundation later it won't be that difficult. And don't be shy to use your fingers. So I'm still using the Elegant Pro Conceal for my eyeshadow base, and I'm blending it in with my Damn Beauty blender. So guys, I just used like 2 eyeshadow today since it's this tutorial is not focused on the eyes. I just used 2 eyeshadow from Nubian 2 by Juvia's Place. So I went in first with that burnt red, applied it all over my eyelid, I then use a yellow shade still from that same palette to blend it in so that there will be no harsh lines. I'm using Nivea body lotion, my moisturizer. So the main purpose of today's video starts here. So I make sure I blend in the moisturizer, like blend it into my skin before I apply any other product on the skin. I'm taking my time, making sure it enters everywhere, every pores. So for oily skin, it's very important to rub the primer all over the face. Then you focus the product more on your T-zones. That's the areas you produce all the most. For me, it's my nose, my chin, my jaw, and my forehead. If you will say that that's almost all over the face. I'm not shy with the primer. I've not seen somebody exceeding priming and the foundation, like this thing does not turn out well, the makeup does not turn out well. For my foundation today, I'm using Maybelline Superstay foundation in the warm coconut, and I'm applying it with a Damn Beauty blender. The beauty blender should be damp You should not use a dry beauty blender. And as you saw, I just use one tap, then I use and apply all over one half of my face. So while you're applying foundation, as a person that has oily skin, don't use too much product. Just one tap is enough. Like when you dab it into the beauty blender, and use a dabbing motion, please. Don't drag. Dab it into your skin. For my highlights, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Almond, the one I used before to clean my lower brow. And as a beginner, you should blend as you go. Like, you should not apply the concealer, then you let it dry first before you blend. It will be very difficult to blend out. There will be harsh lines. So I'm using the Avour Professional Powder Palette to set my entire face from here. That's for my contour highlight. So this technique is mostly for beginners. While setting your highlighted part of your face, you dab your damp beauty blender into your setting powder, blow out the excess powder and dab it into your skin. If you do this, you avoid creasing instead of baking. You should do this. So I do mostly powder contours, as you know. So to contour your face, you should be the highest point of your ear. You should take that down. That's where to contour. And you should do this in a circular motion to avoid any harsh lines. I keep repeating it. Do in a circular motion to avoid harsh lines. Then contour your forehead. If you have a big forehead and you want it to look smaller, you can bring it up from your hairline. You can bring it into your face so that it will make your face look smaller. But since I don't have a large forehead, I just contour my hairline. To contour my nose, I use a smaller angle brush. Start from my eyebrow, then bring it downward, then blend it in. I do the same for the other eye, for the other part of the nose too. So my nose is the only part of my face that I love baking. So while I let my nose bake, I apply my eyeliner to my waterline. I then use my finishing powder to wipe my nose contour, and I did a reverse contour. So I use it to wipe, like to apply all over my face, to set my entire face. I know it looks harsh, but I blended it in. I then pat on my setting spray, like literally I pat on it. I wanted using a hand fan too, but I think it's more effective if you use a damp beauty blender, the damp beauty blender I used before, to press it into your skin. Your face is still wet, you apply a highlighter. That you use it, put on the tip of your nose, use a smaller brush, put on the tip of your nose, blend it out with your hands and the bridge of your nose and your cupid bow too. Blend it all with your hands. So I wanted some color on my face, so I apply an orange blush. So after blushing, I apply highlights just above the area I blushed. and I took time to blend it in so that to look more natural, as if I'm glowing from the inside. Guys, this is the final look. So that's my foundation routine. Hope you learned one thing or two from this tutorial. Don't forget to support your girl by subscribing. Share your thoughts, your input on the comment section. I'll be replying to all of them. So till the next video, bye bye.